First, on Telangana, in spite of controversies, doubt and apprehension, a survey was conducted across the 10 districts of the state. Several people participated in this. The TRS government, after raising concerns about whether nativity and ethnicity would be part of the surveys, took out a requirement for birth details in that. But this has obviously made more people participate in the survey. But the questions are still several over this. Will the survey help in what it's intended to do, which is benefit the people most needy in the state with government schemes? Uma Sudhir reports.
Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao sharing details about his family with Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation officials at his residence on Tuesday, as part of his government's exercise to find out the profile of who lives in the state.
This is the first time in India जो सर्वे कर रहे हैं एक ही दिन में पूरा तेलंगाना का सर्वे हो रहा है. जितने भी बेनिफिट्स हो जाएंगे, जितने भी बोगस लोग आए वीड आउट हो जाएंगे.
At Ambedkar Nagar colony in Sikandrabad, people were eagerly awaiting government officials who acted as enumerators. Are you facing any resistance, or are people very eager to come and?
They are very eager to come and give the all the details, madam.
एक दिन के लिए लीव लियो तो परवाह नहीं, मगर हमारा जिंदगी में जो हो रहा है वो तो भी मालूम होता गवर्नमेंट को. अब तो भी हमारा हेल्प करना.
This survey should help us in getting government jobs, wherein everybody should have a government job so that they can take care of their family.
It's a holiday atmosphere in colonies like this one as people wait for the officials to come in and take their details. They are hoping that with the details that are being shared, they will be able to access the welfare schemes announced by the government. It was as though people were breathing easy, with the government clarifying that the survey is not meant to identify local and non-locals, and also that the disclosures would be voluntary.
आशंकाएं दूर हो गई मैडम सर्वे करने के बाद. ऐसी कुछ मुख्य बात देने का नहीं है आपको. खाली आधार देना है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल देना है, प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स असेसमेंट देना है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल देना है. आपके पास अगर कुछ प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है तो नॉट एप्लीकेबल लिख दो.
1956 के कट ऑफ डेट से इस कलेक्शन डेटा का कोई ताल्लुक ही नहीं है. आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने भी कह दिया, हाई कोर्ट ने भी कह दिया.
Scary part of it is this information can also be used for a different purpose. So as long as the government ensures that the non-disclosure of this this information is honored by the government, I think it should be okay.
Despite lots of controversy, doubts and apprehensions, the Telangana government has managed to undertake this massive survey.
लोकल पीपल जो बस्ती पीपल का बुक हैंड ओवर करके ये लोग एक घर के पास बैठ के पूरा जो भी लाइन लगा के उसको जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट लिख रहा है वो लोग जहाँ पे चाहिए वहाँ पे टिक कर ले. मैडम ये तो सर्वे के लिए कोई उपयोग नहीं है.
The next challenge will be authenticating this data and using it to plug leakages. In Hyderabad with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.